Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to disable auto-translate for languages on LinkedIn using your PC. If you're looking to take control of your language preferences and stop automatic translations, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look towards the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. You'll see the Me icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account settings. Once you're in the settings area, locate and click on Account Preferences. Under this section, you'll find various options to customize your LinkedIn experience. Now, scroll down until you see Content Language. Click on it to open the language settings. Here's where you can add or manage your language preferences. Click on the Add Language button. A list of languages will appear. Choose the languages you want to add from this list. These are the languages for which LinkedIn will no longer auto-translate content. Once you've made your selection, click Save Changes to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully disabled auto-translate for specific languages on LinkedIn. From now on, posts in those languages will appear in their original form without being automatically translated. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.